Not only stranded migrant laborers are facing the brunt of their misery and sufferings during the current lockdown, as well, innumerable stories of common invisible citizens have also become vulnerable due to their pain and agony. One touching instance is of 38 young nurses having resigned from a private hospital in Mumbai city in March first week due to various reasons. After the outbreak of corona in March and lockdown, they were stuck in Mumbai. There are 4 pregnant ladies in the group desperately struggling to reach their native town, mostly Ernakulam and South Kerala region. We request the Kerala government as well as the Maharashtra government to intervene in the matter and solve the problems at the earliest. Lakhs of migrants were stranded without jobs, food and money as a countrywide lockdown to tackle the pandemic which began in March. Many of them were seen in heartbreaking pictures walking hundreds of kilometers on foot as transport services remained shut. The incidents have shown a spotlight the plight of millions of poor Indians who migrate from villages to cities in search of livelihood, and how the lockdown has left them stranded far away from home with no jobs or money. The problem of migrant workers may not be entirely unique to India, but the sheer scale, there are more than 40 million migrant laborers across the country, which makes it difficult to provide relief to everyone. Most move from villages to work in the cities as domestic helpers, drivers and gardeners, or as daily wages on construction sites, building malls, flyovers and homes, or as street vendors. Whether living in shelters, sleeping on footpaths or under flyovers, the migrants are restless and are waiting for restrictions to be eased so they can go home and be with their family. This is Prakash Nair for Media Eye News, Mumbai.